the number 6 seed, Dominator 2.
The Axe Men cometh. On the left-hand side, Chris Hall, Peter Halloway, Paul Tolliday.
The number 12 seed, Tornado.
The storm into the arena floor. Andrew Marchant, David Gamble and Brian Moss. Andrew on the left.
Roboteers, stand by.
In the arena for the house robots is Growler, Mr. Psycho's pet, and
3,
Matilda.
2,
Pet to us all,
1.
I like to think.
Activate.
And away we go. This for a place in the grand final. It's as simple as that. Axe against the push and shove of Tornado. Dominator 2 slams down that mighty Axe. Tornado 2, look at it though, already. What great pushing power that little 98 kilos machine seems to have. Little it's Lionhearted. Tornado away once again. Reached the series semi-final of Robot Wars, the 4th Wars, and lost to Chaos 2. The pit release button is activated. Which of these machines has a short shelf life left in Robot Wars? Dominator 2 is on the end of a Tornado push. Matilda awaits. Dominator 2 is teaching. Oh, goodness me, I thought Tornado was going to go straight down the pit, but Dominator 2 ends up in there instead. Oh dear. They look absolutely shattered, and why not? I thought here Tornado was going to go straight down. They landed right on the edge, and Dominator 2 drove themselves in. Fantastic stuff. The sparks flew. They bounced just on the right side of the pit, but Dominator 2 didn't.